Hi, I'm Liz Joyner, founder of Emerging Life Coaching. I am here at the Atlantic Beach Theater where we will be hosting a fabulous workshop entitled Brushes and Breakthrough. Come and join us March 8th at 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. There will be a breakout session where the artist Helena Acosta will be joining me and takes you into an artistic journey of what you want to explore within yourself. We're going to be looking at journaling. We're going to have some self-reflection time, some guided visualization of what you want to break in your mindset. What are those things that you want to break free from? And so we're also going to have some time of discussion and journaling and also action steps. And when you leave this workshop, my goal is that you will be empowered to take the next step of whatever action you want to create. You can sign up at Eventbrite under Brushes and Breakthrough.